Dr. Brian Abelson with Kinetic Health. We're going to go over a few chest stretches today, and Mickey's on a Swiss ball, and what we're going to do is we've got some weights in our hands, and we're going to actually take it out to the side and do a bit of a stretch here. Go ahead, Mickey, get in position there. So basically up on your pelvis, down there, arms back. Good. So how do you find that feeling right now?
It's a good stretch.
Good stretch?
Yeah.
What about your head position in terms of how far back you should be?
Well, I think when you're a little bit more back, you have more room for your arms to go to the side versus if you're like this, they kind of just get supported and it kind of defeats the purpose of the stretch.
But you feel that opening up right across the whole chest? And
a little bit in the biceps too, but yeah, it's good.
Good, excellent. So you'd probably hold this for 15 to 30 seconds somewhere in that vicinity. You could do this several times if you want. Okay, let's go on to another stretch. Okay, on the next stretch, we're going to do one side at a time. This is a really good one for opening up the lateral part of the pec, but also a bit of the anterior deltoid. Now, you want to remember that we think of anatomical structures as being separated, but in reality, a lot of these are connected with fascia or connective tissue. So we want to do multiple structures at the same time. Go ahead and make it get in position there. Down. Good. So what are you feeling in that position?
Well, there's a lot of stretching in the anterior deltoid part.
Yeah.
And there is definitely in the insertion point of the pec, major, right in here, right along the clavicle, you can really feel it.
Okay, good, excellent. So again, you want to be holding this for 15 to 30 seconds somewhere in that vicinity. Do one side, then do the other side. You might want to go back and forth a little bit until you actually feel a really good release, but this is definitely a good stretch. The next stretch we're going to go over is the classic corner stretch. This is also a great one for opening up the chest, but we want to vary our arm position this so we get different fiber orientation. Because if you look at the pec, as the fibers come out, we're having some that come in different vectors, some horizontal, some more vertically, some a little bit down. Okay, if you want to get in the corner here and we'll just, so arms apart there, and get your feet up just a bit from the wall there. Good, and then lean in. Okay, what are you feeling right now?
Right in the pecs, yeah.
Right in the pecs, so that really gets, that kind of targets it there.
Yeah.
Okay, same thing, we're going to hold this position for about 15 to 30 seconds somewhere in that. But we're also going to change our positions a bit. Why don't you try and find a little bit of a different vector, move up a bit. Good. Okay, so what do you feel there?
It's a little down lower, it's kind of the lower part of the pec.
Okay, excellent. And again, we change positions depending upon where we're feeling tension. We actually want to move up and down, and then we're going to find individually what is most effective for you. Good, excellent. Why don't you come down just a little bit more there and just lower than we first started from. Okay, and see how that is.
Yeah, and then you can feel a little bit on the top of the pec.
A little bit on the top of the pec. Okay, excellent. Really, really good stretch. For the final way we can actually stretch out the chest is to actually use a door frame. This works really well too. Okay, Mickey, why don't you just go in and just get the first part of it there. Bent elbow and kind of leaning in. Good. How's that feeling now?
That's a nice stretch.
Yeah, that kind of opens it up quite well. Good. So same thing, 15 to 30 seconds, opening it up. Okay, now we're going to kind of change the position a bit. And you'll notice that Mickey's hand is actually, the palm is against the door frame there. And she's turning and rotating. Okay, is that opening up pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you change the position of your arm, either up or down. Okay, good. And that really opens up a different vector, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot tighter this way.
Okay, good. And why don't you bring it down again a bit? Even lower than we first started from. Good. Okay, where are you feeling it right now?
Right across the very top, kind of close to the clavicle.
Right, okay, good. One other thing you can do is actually when you have your arm about halfway up here, just bring your fingers out a bit, and this will actually increase the stretch just slightly. Okay.
Yeah.
You feeling that a bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Great exercise. Really